I like cooking because for me it's not just a hobby but more like a passion.
You can make whatever you want and no one can tell you what you have to do.
I like experimenting with food and trying out different flavours.
I love to see like how different flavours can all come together.
When I'm like bored or like when I'm angry, I just cook.
For the competition, I'm kind of feeling a bit nervous but also really excited.
I'm feeling really excited because I've been waiting for this for a really long time.
I'm kind of thinking, what happens. I did not think I'd get this far.
So we're here at Billingsgate. It's really early, too early. We're looking around at the fish.
I really enjoyed the fish market. It was quite cold and it was quite tiring getting up that early in the morning, but it was really interesting.
Cold, wet, smelly, but fun at the same time.
It was interesting to see where it comes from and which fishes are good to cook with.
I liked understanding the different ways of cutting fish, how to understand what to put next to it that would go with fish.
So this is my pillow.
I'm making kind of a smoky salmon on tomato.
I'm making asparagus and fondant potatoes.
I'm making ceviche.
Well, a lot of my food is influenced by all the cultures I have at home, so I make a lot of Brazilian food.
You've got to execute 6 plates of food in 2 hours. You can only achieve that by being organised, working tidy and working to the clock. Watch that clock, it will tick down very, very quickly.
I've never been to a professional kitchen before.
They were a lot calmer than you'd expect being in such an intense kitchen situation.
We got to see basically the perfect version of what we were doing.
And the food was amazing, of course.
So if I was to sum up, I would say enjoy the day, have a great competition, experience things you haven't experienced, work with your friends, your colleagues and your new friends. But the key factor is cook some great food and enjoy the experience. Enjoy the afternoon. It is a competition, but it's all about cooking great food and enjoying the experience. Okay, guys, you can start now. I honestly believe this year is probably the best one I've seen as a final. It was a real pleasure to watch. And the winner of the 2019 Wandsworth Young Chef of the Year is Mia. To see them create great food, that's reward in itself, because I think they've learned something, they've experienced something, and they've experienced something together.
Bon appétit!